Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. It is time for another card trick tutorial. I'm going to show you how to do this. This one is called the 3-card Monte. So 3 cards. Basically, you've seen this. If you don't know what that means, you've definitely seen this trick. So if you're at a sporting event and they put up on the little jumbotron, they're like, keep track of the ice cream or the baseball bat or whatever it is, or the mascot. That's the 3-card Monte essentially. But when hustlers do this, there is a scam involved, and I'm going to show you what that is, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So you can basically not get scammed by people. So let's go to the performance first. But before we do that, make sure you hit the little subscribe button right here, the little Daily D logo. Let's get into the performance. Okay, 3-card Monte. You obviously need 3 cards. So basically what this is, you got 2 aces and a king. Oh, sorry, where'd it go? There it is. 2 aces and a king in the middle. So what you're going to do is just keep track of this king. All right, where is it? Where's the king? Right here? Very good. Now, I'm going to do it again, but a little bit faster. Still right here. Where's it this time? Here again? Yes. All right, now, you have no shot of finding it this time. I guarantee it. There's the king. Still got 2 aces. All right, where is it this time? Here? Nope. Nope. Right there. So, how is this done? It's actually very simple. So, the 3-card Monte, I am not fooling you here. There are 3 cards here. Some people like do that cool thing where they have 4 cards and they do the little. I'll do that in another video, but there are 3 cards here. You have, you can use whatever. I like to use 2 aces and a king. You can use 2 aces and a queen. You can use a joker. You can use whatever the hell you want. But for this one, I'm using 2 aces and a king. So let's flip it back over. And the first time you do it, you just say, keep track of the king. Now, everybody likes this game because it's something that they can do. It's challenging, and it's like, oh, I'm better at you than this. So here's the king. You just keep track of it. And you just make sure the first time that they're able to find it. That's all. It's very simple. So it's not there. It's not there. It's right here. The second time you do it, you can do it a little bit quicker and say, I'm gonna do it faster now because now you're really challenging them, right? So here's the king in the middle, so you can do it quicker. And where's the king? Right in the middle. Now, the third time you do this is when usually hustlers are like, all right, 20 bucks, I bet you can't find it this time. And now your confidence is up and it's like, all right, fine, here's 20 bucks. And they're going to now scam you. So the way this works, you can do this with your friends. You don't have to steal their money, but you can like do it for drinks or something, just for fun and shots or whatever, just for fun. So the way this is done, it's very simple. It's basically just picking up 2 cards and dropping the other one. So essentially, here you go. We'll put the king back in the middle. And what you're going to be doing here is the move is now you see when I show the cards, the reason I'm showing the cards is to set up the move, but it's also to be like, kind of trip the viewer out a little bit, like, oh, he thinks he's slick. But really, it's setting up a move. So when you find the king, ace, here's the king. So you have it now in your mind. Drop it. Once the king gets back into the middle position right here, you pick up the ace at the same time, and then you're going to pick the king up at the same time you have the ace. Okay. Now, when I'm doing this slow, I want to make sure it's visual, but when you're doing it fast, you really want to get the king like covering the ace like this. But just for visual purposes, then what you're going to do, instead of dropping the king down, you're going to just drop the ace and slide the king out. That's it. So the king is now right here. It's not here or here. It's right here. That's the move. It's that simple. So, hope you guys enjoyed that. It's pretty simple. If you want to do that to your friends, like I said, go for it. Don't steal their money. But if you find someone, like, for example, most likely on the boardwalk, and they come up to you and like, hey, you want to find the card? And now you know how they do it. If they do it a different way, you probably beat for 20 bucks. But that's the way that I know how to do it. But if they are doing it that way, just know when they drop the king, do not follow the bottom card. Follow the card in their hand, basically, that they draw out this way. So it's that simple. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. Make sure you watch the other video, probably going to pop up over here somewhere. the shake change tutorial. There's going to be a new card trick every single week coming out, so make sure you stay tuned. Come back to the channel, subscribe so you are keeping up to date with the card tricks, and follow along. Grab a deck of cards, learn how to do it, subscribe, enjoy, peace.